Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, I want introducing myself. My name is Aditya Nanta Mahdi. I am from Nautica Level 1. Good afternoon. I would like to rent a room at this hotel for tonight.
Single or double set?
Single, please.
We'll have single room on the score floor.
Okay, I will take it. How much is it for tonight?
It is about 500,000. Alright, include the breakfast.
Okay, when should I pay it?
You you can play it. You are checking out.
Okay, thanks.
Yes.
It's a beautiful day, is it?
Yes, the sky is so clear.
I like this kind of weather.
Of course, equals ever Yundus.
The weather is good today.
Yes, but it's a little too clone of me.
It's because you use it to live in a tropical country.
Yes, I guess so.
The weather today is worse than yesterday.
Yes, it with too.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. So lihat.